Well, with over 600,000 people in New Jersey impacted by Alzheimer's disease, there's a lot of focus from healthcare companies and nonprofit organizations to help provide support. The morning show's Laura Jones introduces us to a group leading the way in Alzheimer's support and care.
There's an organization in our state, Alzheimer's New Jersey, working to improve the lives of people affected by the disease. Alzheimer's New Jersey president and CEO, Kenneth Zaentz, explains the type of support the organization provides.
So Alzheimer's New Jersey is a community-based organization. Our mission is focused on providing care and support services for New Jersey families who are impacted by Alzheimer's disease. We're not affiliated with a national organization. We truly are the local resource for Alzheimer's disease support and assistance. New Jersey is one of the states that has the highest incidence of Alzheimer's disease in the country. That is because our senior population is so high, and statistically, we know that age is the greatest risk factor for developing Alzheimer's disease. So with a very high over 65 population, about 10%, a little over 10% of those over the age of 65 have Alzheimer's. So it was really important, for our state to have a local organization that's focused on the care and support issues that caregivers need, to help them provide the best care possible for their loved ones.
Alzheimer's New Jersey is able to provide these services throughout the Garden State because of partnerships in the community, including Eisai, a healthcare company working to deliver new tools to detect and combat Alzheimer's disease from their U.S. headquarters in Nutley.
Our partnership with Eisai goes back many, many years. It's over 25 years. Eisai is one of those companies that is really, I think, the consummate corporate partner. While they certainly are focused on bringing product to market, especially for a disease state like Alzheimer's, which they have been committed to for years, they also understand that the issue is much bigger than bringing a product to market. And so their interest in the disease, their interest in getting involved, I really think that the Alzheimer's New Jersey Eisai partnership can serve as a model for what a nonprofit organization and a for-profit corporation can accomplish together to really serve the needs of the community. And that's where Eisai's commitment is.
The partnership even garnered a New York Emmy Award nomination when Alzheimer's New Jersey had to shift gears and cancel their in-person gala during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic.
At the very beginning of the COVID crisis, when we realized that we were not going to be able to put on our annual gala, we were trying to be creative about how can we do really the awareness raising part of our gala without physically having an event. And that's where the idea for putting a 30-minute show together about Alzheimer's New Jersey, about our honorees, and Eisai was one of those, as well as raising awareness about the disease and getting people to focus on the needs of people with Alzheimer's disease in New Jersey. And we were so excited to be nominated for an Emmy Award. That was never our intention. It was just, a very wonderful, sort of outgrowth, value added to what we thought was a great production that we put together for the community.
Kenneth says caregivers can rest assured they have the support needed with Alzheimer's New Jersey.
Well, Alzheimer's New Jersey has been here for serving the needs of people in New Jersey with Alzheimer's disease for well over 35 years. New Jersey happens to be one of those states with one of the states with the highest number of seniors over the age of 65. And as age is the greatest risk factor for developing Alzheimer's disease, while age is not the cause of Alzheimer's, it is the most important risk factor. And with a very high senior population, which in turn results in a very high number of people with Alzheimer's disease in our state, we wanted to be able to direct 100% of our donors' resources and the resources of our staff and our volunteers to local communities. And so in 2015, we left the Alzheimer's Association so that we could have that local focus. And we have continued to be the local resource for New Jersey families, focusing 100% on their needs, the services that they need to make their their caregiving as stress-free and less difficult as is possible, giving them really the best days that they can possibly have.
For the New Jersey Morning Show, I'm Laura Jones.